Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you how you can add journal entries in Zoho Books. So first of all let me go here in Accountant. Then after that click here Manual Journals. So currently we don't have any journal. Simply you can create a new journal as well as you can also import existing journals from a file. So simply you can click here on this button, and after that here you can add some reference number. For example, let me add 10, and here you can add some statement. For example, let me add expenses mistake. Then scroll down, here you can select the currency, and after that here you can select one of these options. For example, let me select office supplies, and after that let me add value 100. So whatever you want to add you can easily do that. So this is just for the demo, and after that let me add some more, this one, and after that you can also add a new row to add more expenses. Then after that click here save and publish. You can also remove it from here, then click on save and publish. So now we have done first entry of the journal.